So now let's look at the middle part of the poem, stanzas 4 to 6. Away, away, for I will fly to thee, not charioted by Bacchus and his pards, but on the viewless wings of poesy, though the dull brain perplexes and retards. Already with thee, tender is the night, and haply the queen moon is on her throne, clustered around by all her starry fays, but here there is no light, save what from heaven is with the breezes blown through verdurous glooms and winding mossy ways. I cannot see what flowers are at my feet, nor what soft incense hangs upon the boughs, but in embalmed darkness guess each sweet wherewith the seasonable month endows the grass, the thicket, and the fruit tree wild, white hawthorn, and the pastoral eglantine, fast fading violets covered up in leaves, and mid-May's eldest child, the coming musk-rose, full of dewy wine, the murmurous haunt of flies on summer eves. Darkling I listen, and for many a time I have been half in love with easeful death, called him soft names in many a mused rhyme, to take into the air my quiet breath. Now more than ever seems it rich to die, to cease upon the midnight with no pain, while thou art pouring forth thy soul abroad in such an ecstasy. Still wilt thou sing, and I have ears in vain, to thy high requiem become a sod. A sod meaning a clump of earth, a dead thing, an unresponsive thing. Now, normally we would think of death as being negative, and what's happening here in this sixth stanza is that after describing in detail the world of the nightingale, the imagined forest of the night that he goes into with the nightingale listen to its song, he introduces this idea of death. And the reason it becomes positive is, I think, the hint to that can be found in the earlier part of the poem where he talks about pain. And here he's saying if he could die with no pain, then it would be something that he could accept. He would not regard death in a negative way if he could die just listening to the nightingale's song at that moment.